All right, welcome back everyone. So today we are going to go over how can you get VMware Workstation for free using the site on Broadcom. So as you know, there's a merge recently where Broadcom kind of like bought out most of the products from VMware. So I'm not sure if the company still stands by itself, but I know the product is still switched over to um, the Broadcom side. So if you're trying to find this, it's not you won't find it no more on VMware side. You'll have to come over on this end to try to pick it up. All right, so let's get started. So you want to go to broadcom.com, as you see right here, and it might be tricky trying to surf this portal because there's so much stuff on here and they don't really show you how. So easy thing though, you can go to products and you can look for enterprise software and you will see that there is a list of software here. VMware products is now also listed on the portal itself. So you'll be able to see all of the products that were here as well. And this is the old page that you're probably used to by going through VMware. But now, like I said, it's through Broadcom. Okay, so the easiest way that you want to do for this is go to the support portal up top here. And you want to go to the portal, right? You'll need to have an account for you to actually get in. So if you don't have an account, you need to register. Okay, so for example, I'm already logged in, but if you don't have an account, at the top right here, you will see login, and you'll have to, well, you'll see register or login. You'll just have to basically go to the top, register an account, accept the MFA requirements. They'll send you an email, all that good stuff like creating an account. Really simple stuff. Once you do have the account, just go back to the top here and log in as usual. And then once you're logged in, what I want you to do is now pay attention. You'll see software and you will see hardware at the top right here. This is where you can go for a plethora of stuff right here. You look for also enterprise software. So we want to go from here. We want to go to My Downloads. And then under My Downloads, you will see, depending on the date, as of today, this is the 23rd of March, you can do a search for VMware in the product field. I find it's easier to just click on the free software downloads available here. So just click that. That's something new that they added. And once this goes through, you can now go down and you'll see VMware Workstation here. And then you can also see the player and everything else that you want to pretty much get. So I would just click on VMware Workstation. And it will show you between Windows and Linux if you're using it, two product types, which is right here. And then all you have to do is click on the Windows and then select the release version that you're trying to get. And that's it. Once you click on it, go through the process to download, whichever you want to download, and agree to the terms and services, as you can see. And then once you're ready, just go ahead and click on download. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. But yeah, this latest update was on February right there. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.